Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another product review. I have some watercolor pencils here that were kindly sent to me by the company called Grabie. I'm going to have some information listed down below in the description as well. And right here we have the Watercolor watercolor pencils, and there's 120 different colors in this set. Looks like it comes in like a little plastic case there with the handle. On the back there is a little bit of information in a few different languages. See, it says blendable pencils are the perfect coloring solution, rich vibrant pigments. See, balanced shades provide superior blending. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or professional artist, these premium pencils are ideal for all of your creative work. Quick sketches to intricate details. See, I'm going to slide this off. So again, we have this nice sturdy case. It does have a little handle. You see two buttons here. I'm just looking at the tips. Let's see. Oh, let's see, we do have a little swatching chart there. So if you would like to put all of your colors, let's see, and then each pencil here has some numbers on it as well. So the company name, and then the number. And they are standard in size. So there's many different colors to choose from. That's what I'm just looking at right now. All the beautiful different colors. And I will insert some close-ups. Ooh, look at all those pretty, like more neutrals. So I am definitely excited to swatch these and test them out, and all the earth tones on the bottom there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get started with the swatching, and then I'm going to go over some information as well about the company and the pencils, I think. And some more information about the company Grabie. It is grabie.cc if you're looking to check out their site. And I wanted to show that they have a bunch of different art supplies that they offer. brushes, and then the pens and watercolors and pencils, so there's many different things to choose from. And the watercolor pencils that I'm showing today were on a sale price of $38.99, and the original price was $59.99. And here I'm just showing I completed the first tray of all the colors there, and now I'm going to go ahead and add water to everything. I really did enjoy how many colors there are throughout this set. As you can see here, there's just so many different ones to choose from, and I did put a little star next to a few of them. I just thought that the color itself was a little bit different than the color that was on the outside of the pencil. And I do have a light pencil drawing there. I wanted to show a small piece of artwork here in my journal, and I'm just layering some blues to get a feel for how well they're going to work together. And as you can see, everything is going really well. They do blend together, so you can do lots of layering, and you can also use them as regular colored pencils as well if you wanted to. Also, I have a coupon code if anyone is interested. It is 15% off anything that you purchase at Grabie, and the code is Suzanne, which is my first name, so I will leave the link and everything in the description down below. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.